So guys, this is gonna be a demo. Yes, guys, this is gonna be a demo. I'm not going to put in the engine to any, but I just in this world I just cannot die. Let's say welcome people into hardcore. I don't have that, but in this world I die. I beat the world divider. So this will be like a hardcore series. Hardcore series. So such as a nasty for every release. So first order of business, get 50k, get some sticks, put down my 15. Oh, this is the first order of business. Get a sword and the pickaxe and get this one. Oh, get some more rocks. Yeah, no wasted the ore. Did I have to do that? But I get out of the norm before I die. And I still at home. Gotta find it. Yeah, it's here like this one. Yeah, this is a clean. Okay. So let's just get more rocks. So guys, this is a dam. If I die, I have two cheese, two sausages. If I die, I have to video where I am actively. I have to sing a song. It's tributes, so I cannot die. Anyway, it's I cannot die. In that again, let's say, who will kill you? Then take a biscuit, 64, this stock, and then 12. So right now I want to make something like that. Moves. I want to is durability right now. Durability is what keeps me breathing in this world. Not such a big house, but it keeps me breathing. The house will get bigger soon, not right now. Right now it needs to be a small little cottage. Right now P put my pants there because I got from it's just appeared. If you watched From the Woods, you know what I mean. Like that shit is scary as fuck. Not even exaggerating yet, but that stuff, it's like the most scariest thing I have ever watched. Especially that Minecraft likes to spawn in the woods. Like that is your number one, the number one place to spawn. The woods. Just that. Mm. Not calling paranoid. But if you saw that thing rushing straight at you, no. This world feels creepy, feel lonely. Mm, no. So let me see how long have we been played before. So no longer want to play. Guys, this world is I think I'm going insane, but this world is creepy as fuck. I'm going to go crazy at this world is creepy in a different sense. Not in the hero point sense like, ooh, hero point just summon the dog right next to him. But that dog is evil. No, in the he's watching me. He wants me. Guys, I think I'm going to die at this. Oh, Hmm? Russia, China ke junior college. Eh? Ke Catholic nation. From the God one, Nana to Turkey or somewhere. Okay. Yeah, okay. Should I not put so close to the focus? Yeah, I should. I should not put so close. It's creepy. Like the focus is like it's watching me, studying me, thinking what I will do next. Ke Canada. Hana ke Australia. Yeah, nation. America. America. Women. Italy. So guys, I'll have to end the video. Demon on the ground. I'll have to end the video. Next video, I'm moving my house from here to over there. Egypt. Desert Kingdom.